you've all seen a lot of the sunshade sales, and this one is by the company Love Story. I love the color and I love the easy installation. I especially love the fact that it's going to keep me cool in the summer and healthier away from the UV rays. This is a permeable fabric, very strong plastic. It is waterproof. It is not waterproof so that the water can permeate like you would like, so it won't have those ugly gaps and things. This one is lovely. It comes in a selection of all of these different colors. I chose this one as a neutral, and I know we're going to enjoy our Love Story sunshade sale. On the back, you have the installation directions. It took a few minutes to put up, but now it's going to be up for the rest of the summer and fall, and I know we're going to enjoy it. It's going to make our side area just much more livable and usable.